Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to read the ordered text in black marker on your screenshot. I'm going to show using an iPhone as an example. For example, you have a screenshot like this and you want to read the text that is hidden because of the black marker. It's very easy to read. Watch carefully and repeat after me. I go to the gallery and open the screenshot I want. This is that screenshot on your screen. You click on the Edit Photo button, and then you open up the options that we can change here. If this video helped you, leave a comment below this video and also subscribe to the channel. Watch and repeat after me. Set all the parameters the same way I did. Done. Now we can save our screenshot. And now if you enlarge the photo, you will see the smallest details of the text. And you can read it. This method works great. Write your feedback under this video. As you can see, this is a very easy and fast way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.